Madhe issue, and the opposition will try and make a campaign on this Madhe issue. Will that have an impact on the election?
सी माधे इश्यू आयसून स्टार्ट जावंक ना हो गेली 10 वर्सां जाली माधे इश्यू चालू आहा आनी म्हाका अशें दिसता की ऑपोजिशन instead of working together with the government they are only wanting to make issues आणि जेन्ना आमी ऑपोजिशन आनी रुलींग म्हणून सगळ्यांक आपयल्ले हेच लोक आमच्या वांगडा येवंक ना मदय पळोवपाक तेणी पळोवंकूच ना कितें जालां तें थिंगा कर्नाटकान काम चालू केल्लें गेली 8 वर्सां पयलीं आमचो सरकार येवचे पयलींसून काम चालू आहा 10 वर्सां जालीं तेका तेन्ना दोशी वाटेन आमचो सरकार नासलो.
But Michael, now
Karnataka wants that water from us. They had started work illegally. Matter is sub judice till now. Award जाला हांव मानता. जो ट्रिब्युनलाचो हे आहले डिसिजन आहले तेजो अवॉर्ड जाला. But Supreme Court is still hearing that award, and I am confident that Goa will get justice in Madhe issue.
Karnataka government is BJP, central government is BJP, Goa government is BJP. So why this injustice to Goa?
Right now
CM
there
is
is
saying आमची आवय ती माय म्हणटा तो आमची.
no, right now there is no injustice. Water is flowing. We have to see that the diversion does not take place, which they have planned and they have done work also. उदक अजूनही फ्लो जावंक ना उदक फ्लो जावंक ना तेका बंदारा आहा येतलोलो आहा बंद आहा उदक. We should see that no water flows from Madai to the other side.